really tough circumstances in Brockton, lots of roads that were still untouched by plows, and what was picked up was pretty slushy and messy, so there were vehicles getting stuck. And obviously, it was a big storm. Brockton was at the epicenter, like New Bedford and Fall River, and so you had a tremendous amount of snow. And really, when you have that much snow, the smaller equipment can't really get through it. So we were grateful when we were in Brockton, when 4 vehicles were coming in from the state with the bigger trucks. We now have up to 20 vehicles of apparatus. We have our brine machine out there looking to unpack some of the snowpack that's on the ground, get people cleared out so they can get to school, get to work, get to where they need to go. That's a priority. So we're working closely with the mayor and his team on a coordinated effort to get Brockton freed up from all this snow.
Every day, school buses safely transport our children, but only if drivers follow the law. Flashing lights and a stop sign on a bus mean you must stop. Passing a school bus in this situation isn't just illegal, it's dangerous. Children's lives are at risk when drivers ignore this signal. Protect them by stopping, no exceptions. Failure to stop has serious consequences. Do your part for safety and your community. Flashing red lights on a school bus mean you must stop immediately. It's the law. It's about safety. It's about lives.
That text can wait. That call isn't worth a life. In the United States, distracted driving leads to over 3,000 deaths and approximately 424,000 injuries each year. Looking at your phone for just 5 seconds at 55 miles per hour is like driving the length of a football field, blindfolded. Is that text worth never making it home? Put the phone down. Focus on the road. Lives depend on it. Drive safe. Arrive alive.